Hi class, we are moving into week 10, so we're in the final week of class. I wanted to give you a little more information about the final paper. I've had a lot of people ask questions about the second thing that you're supposed to do, which is the three aspects of a global and diverse information society. And this is literature based, and I think a few people are a little bit confused at what that means. And let me explain a little bit more. So you're creating a professional development plan. This is basically to improve your digital life. If you currently are happy with your digital life, then perhaps there's some areas that you may want to learn more about. If you currently are unhappy, like you may not have a strong LinkedIn profile, or you may not have the appropriate professional image online, how will you improve that? But part of really what the second part of this assignment is looking at the literature to see what are some of the aspects of being a member of a global digital society. So what are some of the things, hallmarks of being a member of that society? There are a lot of global practices. In China there is its own version of Facebook. Russia has their own version. There are many different communities that are international. There are online conferences that you can participate in. There are many different things. So I use the term aspects because I wanted it to be real open. Just think about being a member of the Global and Digital Information Society and do some research on that. What does it take? What are important? What's important, what's not important? Then, after you develop that, you're going to discuss those aspects, and then you're going to talk about how are you going to implement them in your life? How are you going to put them into your professional life? So that's part of the development of your professional digital plan. So that's what that section is going to be about. Then you're going to discuss your own strengths and opportunities for development, and then you're going to discuss how those strengths can be leveraged and how the opportunities can be developed in order to get you where you want to go. What is your goal for your personal digital online presence? And then you're going to look at how you're going to integrate technology. Now this is again looking at an aspect of once you're out there being a trainer or a teacher or an instructor, how are you going to bring in some of the technology that you've learned about? And how again does that fit into your digital personal life, where you're going to be as far as that goes. And then a conclusion. You'll need at least 5 academic articles and then 5 quality sources. Quality sources can be Forbes magazine or the New York Times or Time magazine. It can be the Apple Insider site. Any place that you're going to get a reputable news outlet that gives good information, checks their sources, that kind of thing. That's a quality source. So you're able to bring those into this final paper. Let me know if you have any further questions. I do enjoy reading the last discussions where you get to reflect on the class itself. Please feel free to give me any constructive criticism you have. On Wednesday, the course evaluations come open. Make sure you fill those out. Again, constructive feedback, telling us what you love. These are all things that we can make better. We can take those things, strengths, and make them stronger. We can take the weaknesses and we can fix them with your constructive feedback. I've really enjoyed teaching this class, and let me know if you have any questions. As always, I'm available on Skype, on email. Just let me know.